Good morning,
My name
guys.
is Seth, and I woke up late.
I woke up on time. I just dilly-dallied.
We were off to Coachella. We're gonna be camping while attending Coachella. And this is CJ. He's gonna be my partner in crime.
Oh, wait. Got some people.
Stopping for coffee in Oklahoma. CJ, what just happened? Did you just walk into a public coffee shop with a gallon of milk?
It's strawberry milk.
We're waking up here in, where are we? Albuquerque, New Mexico. Last night was probably the worst night of my life. I was so tired and there were demons in the night. My air mattress like deflated in the middle of the night.
And I feel great.
Something about the name Jesus.
Get a different thing? Yeah. Really, I want him to do the most pain.
We're here in Gallup and got my little honey cortado. We're hanging out for like a few minutes because we got things to do, right, Maddie?
Got things to do, places to be.
Yeah, we're gonna go see the Petrified Forest. We're gonna go to Flagstaff. We're gonna go to the Grand Canyon. All today. All this is happening today.
On no energy.
On no energy whatsoever. Yeah, on 45 minutes of sleep. We are officially in my favorite state, Arizona. I love this state so much. There's been so many times when I have driven past this area and I've never stopped at the Petrified Forest National Park. And this is really neat. Oh, it doesn't work. Wah, wah, wah. We made it to the Grand Canyon. We're here, and this is Seth and Maddie's very first time ever coming here. It's gonna be really exciting. I love taking people to the Grand Canyon for the first time. I love seeing their reactions. Let's get this fridge off here. So our goal here at the Grand Canyon is to watch the sunset. And so we wanted to get here just in time. We got here just in time, which is really exciting. Sun is going down. We made it to our spot. We're gonna pull the anchor on the ledge. We're just gonna sit, have a good old meal together. Me and CJ, we're risking it. We're going way up there on that edge. Here we go. Take care of my family, you guys.
Pulled out this puppy in a while.
So dark, it's hard to see, but we're out here setting up camp. And we got this Anker SOLIX C300. It's got like a lamp on it, so it's kind of giving us enough light here to set up our tent. Seth and Maddie over there setting up their camp. We're gonna take a quick break from our trip out west to Coachella to tell you who our sponsor is this week, and it's Anker SOLIX. And if you've been following us for any amount of time, you know that we love Anker SOLIX. We've been using Anker products for all of our off-grid necessities and all of our off-grid travels. This tiny house that I'm actually sitting in right now is the tiny house that we pulled behind our expedition all over North America. Whoever our nanny is at the time lives in this. So we like to convert a rig that's specifically just for them. We have no solar, we have no power except through this Anker SOLIX. In this video so far, you've seen us use multiple different Anker units, from the Anker C1000 to the Anker C300. But this week I want to share with you the Anker SOLIX F3800. And this guy powers this whole entire rig. And we needed something this big because this is her whole entire living situation. This is her air conditioner. This is how she charges her phone. This is how she runs anything inside this home, is through this guy. Our main power cord from the tiny house goes straight into the Anker unit and then powers all the outlets in this whole entire rig. And so we have outlets all over the place. We'll make sure to put a link to this Anker unit, the Anker SOLIX F3800, in the description below so that you can purchase one of these yourself. If you're in a similar situation, they're also really great to have just in your home, because if there's ever a power outage, you can hook your whole entire house into this bad boy. It has a 3800 watt output, so it can run anything from washers and dryers to fridges and air conditioners and all that kind of stuff. And they even have a portable power bank that you can put on top that doubles the capacity of this unit. We are huge lovers of Anker SOLIX over here, and we think you should get one too. So thank you, Anker SOLIX, for sponsoring yet another video. Let's get back to Coachella. Okay, we just woke up super early. It was super cold last night. It was so cold. Oh, it was like 40 degrees.
It's like 5.
All right, we're going to the Grand Canyon to watch the sunrise.
Went by an extra case of hot dogs because I love the crunch.
Oh, God.
All right, guys, you ready to watch the sunrise at the Grand Canyon?
Ready? Should I wear these shoes?
Can you unlock it?
Yes. We're getting out of our campsite. We're heading to Coachella today. You guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, we are here at Coachella. Yeah, we're gonna go to the media press line and pick up our badges, and then we're gonna do some footage things and promotion things, and can't use that.
All you hear is, that's the Anker.
What'd you give me? Is that mine?
Yeah, this is yours.
Sick, thank you. This is the Anker booth here at Coachella. You want another one? Guys, Coachella is wild. I was not expecting anything that I've seen since I've been here. And I have walked 10,000 steps in the past 2 hours. I want another pin. This is day 2 of Coachella. We woke up on the lake in front of the mountains and it's so pretty. It was so relaxing. It was the first time I slept in multiple days and I'm so grateful. But all day we're gonna be shooting videos for Anker.